Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate how to use one of AI's functions, known as Chat with Friend. Firstly, please access the Reen AI app and select Ask Me. Next, choose the function Chat with Friends. You can interact with AI as friends, as a supporter, and as a confidant. You can discuss and share your problems to AI. And every question you discuss with AI will kept confidential unless you reveal it. The way of chatting is like the function of Ask AI. Simply, select a language that you want to chat. Now I choose English language. You can write as a text or speak. For write you just click here and write what you want. If you wish to speak, please press this button. Once you have finished speaking, press the red button to stop your audio recording. After your recording, it will be converted to text. Next, press this button to send what you have said to AI. After AI receives what you write or say, it will respond to you. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please contact us.